After the Edmonton Indy ran out of gas, Race Week Edmonton is going wheels up. The rebranded RWE Events is bringing an air show to the region on August 22nd and 23rd at Villeneuve Airport in celebration of Edmonton's aviation heritage.
You wouldn't be able to do the flights and have the economic opportunities of the Davie mines or the oil fields without having aviation. We would be a pimple on the prairie, basically.
Sturgeon County Councillor Susan Evans says she hopes the airshow will shine a light on a little-known regional asset.
It brings value to the county by highlighting where the county is, what we're about, and again, it's an industry that we would like to see grow. So we try to be as supportive as possible.
A limited number of tickets, 11,000 per day, will go on sale Friday at 10 a.m. at www.edmontonairshow.com. Tickets will be $25 and there will be discounts for military, seniors, and youth. Children under 6 will be admitted for free. For the Edmonton Sun, I'm Catherine Grukowski.